Utie oha extra ponkno.
Needs FM.
It has shown say experience ejuma because omo committee so do no. This is not the first time. So Oma build this some kind of cloud and understanding of their process. So the questions say again also because the people we are asking the questions, they are the same people who are at the office. So you see the questions. In fact, during this vetting, minister, the questions will be different. You will not see this kind of more questions, because when you be some questions also. But these questions is happening because where they are coming from.
They have been there before.
They have been there before. And yet surprising. In our politics, Obeka Ifikote was one of the outspoken person in the before 2008 elections.
Setting the record straight.
In fact, when he became minister, vetting was the longest vetting in this country. Because people want to know. Now come and defend some of those things. Remember, it was that vetting. And Fifi was pushed to talk about account numbers on the newspapers. Okay, these issues happen. So, and it's so different on every vetting. But what as I've realized and said, Ghana for the we have become more political interest. Interest or politics more.
Yeah, political literate.
Yes. Among Obia, sure you may be at yes. Yes, I did. Previously, many people will not spend time to even look at all those issues there. Because I remember, I think, before time, appointed minister be oba. In fact, the age, what's the age? Yeah, there are subtractions. Not or 1 year, not or university. We have seen this before.
Wow.
I'm telling you, not 1 year, no university. So all those things, okay, those times, you become a person say 1 year national anthem. Okay, those issues.
Yeah.
You see, if it is now, I better say more there. But those things has happened. It's part of our process, sir. But I believe, say, we are growing as a country in terms of say politicking. So it's good. It's good. But only say before now, from I said in the 2 to 2000, now we are minister. Now if you retain power, you continue the way without vetting.
Oh, okay.
That's how. And I'm saying, Judge Mensa or so. And there is that issues, Once our leadership no time up on our it need to be questioned. So that is how I brought all these issues. And I think what I've seen out of this, we should have 2 types of vetting. Therefore,
which one and which one?
If we experience we should now start asking him questions that we know behind what he's telling us. Because Ushe so far, all the ministers now about vetting now. Ejibo Mukachire said they were doing the best of their knowledge, When they came, either they apologized, or Amakasi Omunimubi share about the frontier issue. It took 5 ministers. 5 ministers. Obianti my answer as at now. Frontiers.
Ambulance. Your system no na your problem and answer then because me say how can as a home minister on a ministry show sir e be the contractor ba definitely you have to see it. It debate me about say obi a third person and a second person e bet me a contract in the name of your ministry. Awunya where?
Yeah.
It bet me as sir.
That tells you some blocks in political circle.
Any problem?
Yes. So the vetting, at least it has given us certain information. Today, when you come to this ambulances issue, people have now seen the realities. It was the same time. They get say, placement of schools. Say, John Mahama microphones collapse or Independence Square. Or say, some mechanic, no man can some. You understand? So the quality has been...
some of the pronouncements are you making. Yeah, now a political talks and yeah, the original campaign platforms so can be there. And then both sides mudi for ever. But whereas the ministry asha wonsa say be away in charge of transport. What you say? ABI, as for example, Bars Brandon, yeah, the whole contract about, we say, I have no idea about it. And no, does it not sound strange?
It sounds strange. That is why Ubisa issues, say, offer Governor Odame, or Cabrofu Ebri. And I'm happy they have said, say, Yamfa Brofu, and we need case, of course. Now, I'm for see Brofu or Kai and Inti. I don't think that you didn't issue, no, I call a friend at Slaughterhouse. But there are some issues, and he couldn't give the right answers to it. We need to go into it. Into the Brofu, no. And the Brofu, no. And for all the three, you can want them. And I think that you know MPP even must even support and then applaud the NDC for doing what they are doing. When you say that is our betting way, everybody say betting way they're one of the best. Persons never one of the best. But when the results come out, they say they don't like the results.
But sir, appointing committee of parliament, one more chairman, Honorable Joe Osei-Usuaka, said committee need that power to reject a nominee. What I say? The committee no omu ni sa to me no say omu be reject you. How come the minority? The hen amu kwasha ya mo reject 3 nominees.
Say me man to about amao. Because when they finish their committee, vetting, they meet at the committee.
But at the end of the day, it has to come to the floor of parliament.
It has a process. Process in the first one now I call you know. I mean, I support it. I didn't support it. I did because I'm convincing me. And that's the issues.
But when you say there's a difference between say I don't support and I have rejected.
No, they did rejected in parliamentary procedure vetting. Account. Only they are telling you account.
But this is the chairman of the committee. I know I say they do not. The committee do not have that authority, that power to reject.
In their report, in his report, it should tell us that 26 of them support approved. He should also tell us that 26, have approved based on their meetings. So much a report. So be a fair report and Pamba law. No, he is going to prepare a report that one. Did all the 26 of them approve all of them? Said rejected any more approval.
So maybe the committee will recommend.
And if I don't recommend, I rejected it.
So it is bound on the house. The parliament in whole. Some be approval and some be reject. The one now bet me akase parliament has rejected 3 nominees and abibia. But a committee in what they are.
Say obi ba Betty ho. I'm a catcher and said the office in the entire center uncle.
Yes, I remember.
The parliament has the power. The parliament has that power. That have a Betty committee has that power.
They said they wanted further particulars.
No, do they have that power?
But they vetted him.
I'm saying, do they have that power to say that?
Why don't they have that power?
And why don't also they have the power to reject it? And you see, and the basis said they reject it. I think the Ghanaians also must understand. 30 ministers in about vetting.
Okay.
If the NDC was doing 7 nail, 9 nail, now could be a I'm reject it. But this was not doing 7 nail, 9 nail. What we are doing is say, Adia away no. Oman Ghana, ever boy Oman Ghana. Go John Kuruma. Nice gentleman. Good guy. But then as a minister or company no media work as a minister of information. Now there will be a conflict of interest. And no, I'm not papa or PPE. Yeah, pamono. PPE. Yeah, pamono because of conflict of interest. Could you go to a press conference say, I did away in a conference interest, you know if you. And I also a conference interest. You catch a gal for Sadia away and I'm what? Who's it be any reason, papa? Yeah, a black one, the first vetting. When he came to vetting, no company. As a young guy. In fact, you won't be saying, say, oh, a company. But company, no one year say, oh, free mo. Or say, as a minimum, Munya approve me. So I cannot cancel that process. And someone approve me. No, my free mo because my free mo. They say, because free mo no approve me, which is my free company. So there's something of such nature at Parliament. The information that MPP for Omunya on this rejection, Omokofa Omu on say, oh, almost say because instigate ayeni enye sa one of a brand saying kodo obon kuruma company na microfinance microfinance then has another third company part of them they took loan in there microfinance and then me know government ever able to close to banks no me know your tax energy those microfinance contributed some issues on that one so are we happy say a minister of information the company e kan one dem no wa any salama to auto koko o tia tax e dey sika go to say tia e dey say man that's why microfinance have a problem so we should approve you on that one fa akoto o say as a minister
akoto FP
now a minister on your own na company here juma mo man Ghana no ko fa pen can mean say blue pen deep one. No one cancel company contract no on your own. Now let us show say there be some assembly so o say there be and the parliament so turn through contempt to. Who turn to parliament contempt. No one go for Bible no so crap a New Testament. No one swear say so
no
swear say I don't make an turn through. Uwie no na information available no say can enter in the face of the contempt na ya say me approve based on that obi say they be any how comes an issue we the issue about say yabotu o say ampa na me defend me ho let me say what dey to make report maybe 8 months down the line na kan pass ya life threatened now. She should have gone to police. In fact, investigation never on that issue. Police now where your investigation can be transferred. No. To date, could it be say minister position over that time no? And they push here now. So this rejection is there say NDC vacancy. When me in some way, that's right. If there's somebody like NDC be 7 nail, 9 nail. Whether you are arguing on law or not, Nanka Matthew Poku na be first. Because Matthew Poku came, even he spoke directly against John Mahama. But he allowed him apologize. In fact, listening to even Haruna Idrisu, almost most MPs on Betinasa, he advised them, okay, a friend say, Aslausu issue. Okay, say, Ukasa, so be Timia. Because at times and send fata as a public officer. If you don't like them, you can have used all those things against them. When we are doing this, especially when the MPP have told the whole world, say, we have the men. Substitution, Ukobo match now play back one to be strike here. Change him.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no.
Needs FM.